To delete a single recording on your EETV box, you'll need your remote control and access to your recorded content. Let's walk through the simple process, step by step. First, navigate to the My Recordings or Recorded section on your EETV box. Use your remote to access the main menu and look for the Recordings option. Once in the Recordings section, you'll see a list of your recorded shows and episodes. Use the arrow keys on your remote to highlight the specific recording you want to delete. With your desired recording highlighted, press the Menu or Options button on your remote. This will open a drop-down menu with various actions you can take. From the drop-down menu, select the Delete option. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the recording. Select Yes or Confirm to complete the deletion. There are also quicker alternative methods. Some EETV box models allow you to simply press the red button on your remote while a recording is highlighted for instant deletion. Others support long pressing on the recording to bring up quick options, including delete. That's how you delete single recordings on your EETV box. Whether you use the traditional menu method or the quicker alternatives, managing your recorded content is straightforward and helps keep your storage organized. Understanding your EETV box storage is crucial for optimal performance. Most EETV boxes come with 1 terabyte of storage capacity, which provides approximately 150 hours of high-definition content recording space. Regular storage monitoring is essential for maintaining optimal performance. You should aim to keep approximately 20% of your storage space free at all times. This prevents performance issues and ensures smooth recording operations. Following best practices will help maintain your EETV box performance. Delete recordings within 30 days of viewing to keep storage efficient. When you need to free up space, prioritize deleting standard definition content over high definition content, as SD files take up less space but HD provides better viewing quality. Understanding the difference between high definition and standard definition content helps with storage decisions. HD content provides superior picture quality but uses more storage space. When managing storage, consider deleting SD versions first while keeping HD recordings for better viewing experience. Be aware that some recordings may have deletion restrictions due to licensing agreements. Protected content cannot be deleted until viewing rights expire. This is shown in licensing documentation and affects certain premium or time-sensitive content on your EETV box.